If you own a G87 M2 and have recently updated the software and found that it's no longer remote starting, I've got the fix for you. It is a pretty straightforward and simplistic fix, but if you don't know how to do it, well, you don't know how to do it. So let's go through it. Once the car starts up, just simply go into climate menu, click settings, go into remote start. Make sure that start engine for climate control is enabled. For whatever reason, it disables it after you do a software update. God knows why, but that will probably be unchecked. Check it and you are good to go for your remote start again. Thanks for watching and hope this helps.